Hey everyone, let's tackle cough and cold together. Symptoms: coughing and sneezing, runny nose and congestion, sore throat and fatigue, headaches and body aches. Causes: viral infections such as rhino and corona, allergies and sinusitis, environmental factors like pollution and dust, weakened immune system. Home remedies: stay hydrated with warm water and tea, rest and relaxation, honey and lemon for cough, steam inhalation for congestion. Prevention: wash hands frequently, avoid close contact, keep surroundings clean, boost immune system. Feel better soon. Share your cold-busting tips and comments. Follow me for more health tips.